Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Wagyu beef. First, proper preparation is key to unlocking its incredible flavor. Begin by thawing your premium Wagyu steak slowly in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours. Before cooking, let it rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes. This ensures even cooking. Pat the steak completely dry with paper towels, then season generously with coarse sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Now, let's achieve that perfect sear. Place a cast iron skillet over high heat until it's smoking hot. There's no need for added oil. Wagyu's rich marbling will render its own delicious fat. Carefully place the steak in the hot pan. Sear for 2 to 3 minutes on each side for a beautiful medium rare. Press the steak gently to ensure maximum contact and a fantastic crust. After searing, the next crucial step is resting. Remove your perfectly cooked Wagyu from the pan and let it rest on a cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the incredible juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is tender and flavorful. Once rested, slice the steak against the grain into pieces about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. Serve immediately to savor its exquisite taste. Finally, it's time to enjoy your magnificent Wagyu beef. Its natural richness and delicate flavor are best appreciated simply. Consider pairing it with light sides, such as steamed asparagus or a fresh, simple salad. Avoid heavy sauces that could overpower the steak's unique taste. Take your time to savor each incredibly tender and flavorful bite of this truly luxurious culinary experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.